Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download and install Apache Maven on Windows operating system. So the first, we just open the Chrome browser and then type download Maven and enter. And you see the official website is the maven.apache.org. So click download Apache Maven. Then we have to download the binary zip. Okay, so this is the second option you see here. So click on bin.zip, right? Click on it, then it will start download. Now I'm going to the download folder. Then this coming as a zip format. First we have to unzip it. So how to unzip? So just click on the file, just on click, then right click on it, then select extract wall, and then it will open the window where you want to extract this file to. Okay, so what I'm going to do for now, let's put it under the C drive. I'm going to put it in the program file. So select this PC, then just click on program file and select folder. Now Maven will be downloaded under the program files. So click extract, continue, and it will take a few seconds. Okay, so now as you see, it's already Apache Maven is downloaded in the program file. So I can just close everything. I don't need any windows. Just click close everything. Now go click on this yellow folder, then click on this PC, local disk C, program file, Apache Maven is right here. So now if I click on it again, so this is where we have the Apache Maven download. Now we have to set this Maven in the environment path, similar as Java that we have done last tutorial. Okay, so just click on it, this path, and I can copy that, and in the Windows search box, type edit system variable. So edit system variables, click on it. Then you will see the windows like this. Click on environment variable, then click new, and we have to type Maven underscore home, similar Java underscore home, right? So in the variable, just paste the path we just did. Click OK. Now we also need to give the path for bin folder. So click on bin, select and copy. Now under the system variable, click edit, cancel. You have to select the path. This is the path, then edit, click new, and paste the bin path here. Click OK, click OK, OK, and close all the window. Now I'm going to see if Maven has been installed successful or not, right? So I'm going to open the git bash. And just type mbn-version. So Apache Maven 3.9.5 and also Java also display here. So that means we are successfully download and install Maven in our Windows system. Thank you.